in this problem we're going to follow these steps to make this arc and then find the length of the arc. So first make sure that ortho is on, and then use the line tool to draw a line using the given information here, that L equal to 6. So click on the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, and move right, type 6, press enter. Right click, cancel. Now let's use the center radius option to draw circles at both ends of that line. Click center radius, click here, and then radius is given as 1.5. Type 1.5, press enter. Right click, repeat circle. Now click the other end of the line, 1.5, enter. Now in step 3 we're going to draw this circle that is tangent to the other two circles that we just drew. Okay, so we're going to use this option under the circle tool. So click that little arrow, and then we're going to use tan radius. So click this first circle in the area where I'm clicking, and then click the second circle in the similar area, and then type the radius of this new circle, that is 5 unit. So type 5, press enter. Okay, now we're gonna erase this line. So select that line, press delete, use trim tool, and trim the unwanted portion of the circle to get this arc. So right click, cancel. Now we're gonna get the length of this arc. So click that arc, right click, click properties, and the length is going to be here, arc length 4.7973.